Welcome back, everyone. Well, check out this incredible video. This one was sent in to us by weather watcher Paola Ispuro Moreno. So thank you so much, Paola. Check this out. This was actually shot in Socorro over by Nuevo Waco Tanks and I-10. And Andy, you were watching this and you brought up a really good point. Look at how those winds are just piling up those tumbleweeds.
How do you get rid of all those?
That was my same
Like,
question.
what are you going to do with those?
Dozens and dozens of them.
It's like the house is a magnet.
There you go. Yeah, it's just, but you know what? It's one of those things where, okay, that was yesterday's crazy wind event, and tomorrow's wind event is expected to be much stronger. So you're going to be seeing a lot more of that. Yeah, a lot more of that. So just again, big shout out to Paola for that awesome video. So check this out. This is our night sky as Valentine's Day is coming to an end. We started off a little breezy, windy in some areas. We actually were under a wind advisory throughout the entire day, and now finally, after most of the Valentine's Day activities are done and over with, our winds are finally subsiding. We're looking at those westerly winds at about 11 miles per hour. 50 degrees is your current temperature, a little bit on the drier side of things, and we're expecting it to pretty much stay a lot colder than that. Today, we managed to top out at 59 degrees, which did put us about 5 degrees below average, and this morning, we started off at 38 degrees. 39 is normal, so we were rather seasonal. 41 is how we expect to start off tomorrow morning. So that's your forecast overnight low tonight into tomorrow. And as for that snow, a lot of people have been asking me, will we get to see snow for tomorrow morning? The answer for us is I really doubt it. I really don't see us having the ingredients to see snow really taking place over El Paso. So according to this particular map, one of the weather model runs were actually giving us quite a bit of snow for our friends in Colorado, parts of Utah, Arizona. Here and there in New Mexico. More than anything, New Mexico gets to see some of that snow over by the mountains, so Ruidoso, Cloudcroft. We move west out by the the Sacramento Mountains, Gila area. But as for El Paso, you're going to notice just little spots of blue closer to Las Cruces. So for example, the Oregon Mountains, maybe the Franklin Mountains, and that's a big maybe. We do expect to see this storm system coming in a little drier than what the previous model runs were showing. We were actually showing decent possibilities for rain, but even now it starts to dry up quite a bit as we go into tomorrow morning. So don't get too excited. I'm not very positive that we'll be seeing any rain. If anything, maybe just a few drops in some cold spots. We might see a few flakes. Nothing will stick though, I promise you that. We are seeing this next system that's moving through, and this one is going to be producing quite a bit of cold air. So as a nutshell, we'll say this system is packing a punch. So we're looking at those really strong winds and very cold, dense air moving through the borderland area. Tomorrow we're forecasting a high of 51 degrees. High wind warning will continue in our area and will remain active starting at midnight all the way to 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. At that time, the winds will begin to subside. Again, it will top out at 41 and 48 on Thursday. Thursday will be a beautiful day, but overnight lows will be below freezing Wednesday night and Thursday night. So make sure you're bundling up and getting ready for this next event. I do want to give a big shout out to our weather watcher, brand new weather watcher at that. This one goes to Roberto Aviña. Thank you so much for allowing us to see that beautiful heart-shaped cloud right over Las Cruces just in time for Valentine's Day. What a gorgeous and lucky shot. Now, if you would like to be featured on KTSM 9 News, go ahead and submit those beautiful weather photos to us through our social media platforms or email news@ktsm.com. Don't go